Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. In the United States, September 23rd is the National Go With Your Gut Day. It is a day created to raise awareness about the importance of digestive health and its impact on overall health. The gut health has been studied extensively in recent years. You may have heard gut-brain connection. Anxiety and stress can cause digestive disorders, and your unhealthy gut can lower your mood and even increase the risk of depression. Besides digestive and mental health, the gut health is also said to be connected to cognitive health, such as Alzheimer's, metabolic issues such as weight gain and obesity, diabetes, and immune system. One thing you can do to keep your gut healthy is to eat the foods that have good gut bacteria, also known as probiotics, and eat the foods with prebiotics, which feast probiotics. When the good bacteria consumes it, the byproduct is called postbiotics. I've been taking this Japanese enzyme drink, Koso, for more than 2 years now. This one has prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. It has it all. The last time I mentioned about Koso, I made a mistake by saying it only has prebiotics and probiotics, but I'm making a correction here because it does have postbiotics as well. I try to take other fermented foods such as yogurt, miso, which is Japanese soybean paste, natto, which is Japanese fermented soybeans, and kimchi, which is fermented Korean vegetables. Oh, and sake, which is made of fermented rice, and shochu, which is made with fermented barley or potato. Besides eating those fermented foods, and especially when I'm not eating those fermented foods, this Koso has been giving me a peace of mind because I know I'm getting good gut bacteria for my gut health. I've also used this for 1-day cleanse and 3-day cleanse. Koso is made with more than 100 fruits and vegetables, including mushrooms and seaweeds. All the ingredients are from Japan. They are carefully prepared, and with a starter, it is fermented for almost a year at their factory that has 70 years of experience of making Koso, which means enzyme. For the National Go With Your Gut Day this week, Koso is giving away Koso to one lucky winner in my audience. To enter for this giveaway, please share in the comment below your favorite fermented food. You can also say you don't have any favorite fermented food. The deadline to enter for this giveaway is this Sunday, September 24th at 12 noon Pacific time. I will draw the winner and have the winner be in touch with Koso to arrange the shipment. The winner has the choice of original Koso or the low sugar Koso that they just came out recently. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below with your favorite fermented food. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.